So the meaning of the word insan is the one who loves is known as insan. And the one who is void of love, who is deprived of love, is stripped of his humanity. The one who does not have any love in his heart, the one who does not enjoy the sense of intimacy, he does not enjoy cordiality, he does not enjoy the taste and the sweetness of love, he is deprived of humanity. And human, insan, means the one who loves someone. But who is the beloved whom he loved at that time? There was no one except Allah. There was no one except Allah. So the beginning of human, the beginning of insan is the love of Almighty Allah. Here he started his journey. His beginning started from loving Almighty Allah and receiving His love into it. This is one meaning. So he started his life, the human being, insan, started his life in Alamul Jabarut, when nothing did exist, nothing was in existence, and insan came into existence. So he started his life with love of Almighty Allah. He got this intimacy to Almighty Allah. He got this nearness and closeness and proximity to Almighty Allah. So he received the lights of the love of Almighty Allah into it. Now coming to the second root word. If we consider that insan is derived from nasiya, from nisyan, it means forgetfulness. The insan is the one who forgets. This is the other meaning. So what did he forget which gave him the title of insan? Coming to the second meaning, second proposition, second option. Yes, we take it too, that the forgetting is inbuilt in loving. The more you develop the love, you keep on loving someone, and the love keeps on increasing in you. When the love achieves the stage of its climax, the climax of love is that you start forgetting every other thing except the beloved. So love includes forgetfulness. Loving and forgetting, they go side by side. The more your love increases, the more you get focus on your beloved.